Trying to download a video from WhatsApp web, but the download button is nowhere to be found? Don't waste your time refreshing the page or logging out. Here's what's actually going on. Check this out. I open the video, click the three dots, and there's no download option. Now, if I go back to the chat, you'll notice it's not just one video. This group has multiple videos and none of them have a download button. So what's the problem? The video hasn't fully loaded yet. A lot of people think it's a WhatsApp bug, but most of the time the video is still streaming. Instead of being fully cached until that finishes, WhatsApp web may not show the download option. Here's the fix. Open the video and let it play all the way to the end. In my case, it's about 1 minute long. You don't have to watch it. Just let it keep playing in the background while you do something else. Once it finishes, click the three dots again, and there it is. The download button finally shows up. If you have multiple videos, repeat the same process. Let each video finish playing once, and after it's fully loaded, the download option should appear. That's the trick. No extensions, no extra software, and no complicated fixes. If this saved you some time, subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this.